Hello and welcome to you all. So in this video we are going to see one small but useful functionality from the latest version of Odoo 19.1 regarding the payroll module. So in older version of Odoo, when we validate the payslip, Odoo send email to employee with that payslip attachment, and that is Odoo's default behavior. We don't have any configuration or we can't control them. But now in latest version of Odoo, we have that configuration available so that we can control the sending option of Odoo email for payslip. So in today's video, let's see how it works. So let's jump on payroll module. Under the configuration and setting, we have a new option available that we can able to control or configure the send payslip to employee functionality. We have three options available. So we can select first when confirm. So Odoo will send a payslip when payslip confirm. We have a second option when paid. So when we paid a payslip, Odoo send email. And third, we have a manually. So Odoo has the cron schedule available. So on a schedule action, on a targeted interval, Odoo will send a payslip to all that particular employees. So in today's video, let's first see the first option when confirm. So I'm selecting a option when confirm and saving the record. Now let's create a payslip. So jump on a payslip and create one payslip for my employee Malay. Let's compute and validate. So once I validate, Odoo send email, and we can see under the chatter we have the email message available that Odoo send email for this payslip. Now let's go to the configuration and change the configuration from when to confirm to when paid. So now instead of confirm or validate, when we pay the payslip, then and then Odoo send email. So let's jump on a payslip. I'll just cancel it and delete it. So let's create a new fresh payslip for employee Malay. Compute it and validate it. So on validation, we don't have any email. Let's just refresh the screen and we can see there's no email available. So let's press a button marked as paid and refresh the screen. So once I paid a payslip, Odoo send email. So this is how we can control email sending functionality in payroll payslip. So I hope you guys like this functionality, and if you guys like this video, then please like and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.